Hello guys, today we will learn how to download and configure Paloalto Firewall with Windows and Linux client in PNET Lab. First of all, you have to update your PNET Lab. My PNET Lab is on 4.2 and I am upgrading it on the latest version. For that, we have to run this command iShare to upgrade. With the help of this command, you can update your iShare and your PNET Lab also. After run this command, it will give you four options. First option is to upgrade your iShare to, and second option is to upgrade your PNET Lab. I choose second option and update my PNET Lab to latest version. As you see, it is now updated to 5.3.11. Now we are downloading Paloalto Firewall. We are downloading its 9.1.2 version. Its number is 502. Now we are downloading Windows 10 client. It's a small Windows tiny client and its number is 925. Last, we are downloading Linux client. We are downloading Debian 10 and its number is 389. Its download number is 389. Now it's time to set up your Paloalto Lab. Open your PNET Lab and create new lab with any name. I name it Paloalto Lab with Linux and Windows client. Select Linux, Windows and Paloalto devices and connect like this topology. Power on all the devices. Paloalto will take some time to boot. Now all your three devices are booted. Default user ID and password of Paloalto is admin. But please keep it in mind that after booted up, it will take some time, say 5 to 7 minutes to recognize the password. Although the password is correct, but it will say invalid password. So please keep patience. After 5-7 minutes, it's automatically take this password. For Linux machine, user ID is user and password is test123. And for Linux machine, for Windows machine, the user ID is admin and the password is admin, all in small. it's time to configure your Palo Alto firewall. Our clients are connected with management interface of the firewall to take its GUI. We need to configure management interface. By default, management interfaces is on DHCP, and we have to make it static. Then only we can add IP address on management interface. I am using class A IP addressing. You can use any. To save configuration, please commit the changes with commit command. Configuration will not save without this command. Now check the IP on interface by show interface management command. I will give all these commands in the description. Now configure IP address on Linux client. You can also configure it on Windows client on Windows 10. GUI of Palo Alto Firewall. Open web browser and type IP address of Palo Alto Firewall with HTTPS. At first it will give warning. Just ignore this warning and log in into the firewall. Click on the network option to configure the WAN interface. After configuration, Please commit the changes. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe the channel. Enjoy your lab.